Hi, my name is Tendor. I'm the Executive Director of Students for Free Tibet. I have a very important message for you today. You probably know that on February 13th, Drupchen Tsering, a Tibetan man, self-immolated in Kathmandu, Nepal. And his body was seized after he set himself on fire to protest China's rule inside Tibet. And his body was taken by the Nepali police, and until today, it's been a month. His body has not been released to the Tibetan people so that it could be cremated according to Buddhist tradition. Drupchen Tsering gave his life for Tibetan freedom and for the Tibetan nation. And it's the responsibility of every one of us to make sure that he gets a proper and respectable last right, final rites according to our own tradition. And this is considered really important in Buddhist tradition. And that's why we believe that it is his basic right, his fundamental human right to a proper cremation at this point. And that's why we have been trying to raise pressure on the Nepali government to release the body to the local Tibetans. And we need your help to do three things, to take three simple actions. Number one, please pick up the phone and call the Nepali embassy or consulate in your area. You can find their phone numbers at this link. Number two, please send an email to Nepal's Home Minister at this email address. And number three, organize a rally at the Nepali consulate or embassy and go talk to the embassy staff or the consulate staff and tell them why this issue is important, and tell them why Nepal should not allow itself to become a satellite state of China, why Nepal should assert its sovereignty, assert its democracy, and respect the basic rights of the Tibetan people living in Nepal, and also respect the minority Buddhist traditions of Nepal. So please do those three actions, and if you need more information, visit sfthq.org. This issue is very important at this stage, and what you can do will make a crucial difference, because in the next 5 days the Nepali government will be reaching a decision. That's why every small action matters. Thank you.